to another video of mine. Today we're going to be playing in another game of Animal Hospital. Flashback.
Flashback.
Was like, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh! Keep it closed. Oh no, oh no, oh no, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. You know, no.
End of flashback.
Anyway, so we're gonna play in another game, cause looks like that some stuff has changed, I think I heard or seen. So we're gonna play in another game to see what's new. Okay, so we are in the game. Wait. Who is you? Who is you up there? Oh my gosh, look at the doctor. Why is it an anomaly?
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we are in the game, and we're gonna see what is new around here. Speaking of new, who is you? Who is that character? So a few workers are doing the front desk while me and this new character looking skin thing are working in some rooms. Yeah. So I'm just waiting around here because on shift 1 is going like one patient at a time. So ha ha ha. Yeah. Why am I laughing like that? Anyway, I see you. My voice might be cracky a little bit. I don't know why. What are you doing? Ooh, you're twitching. Ooh, you're twitching. You're twitching. This way, this way, this way. Come on, this way. Why you threw him out in the trash? Is that Raphael? It's Raphael! Raphael! My child! Raphael! Raphael, my child! I love you so much. You're my child now. You're just special like that. Take care of Raphael for me. Don't let him die. If you do, I'm coming for you. Yeah. It's Barney! Can I just give you maple syrup or something? Nothing much has changed, really, in this game so far. But, yeah. Oh, that camera's... Oh my gosh, it's Raphael! Hi, Raphael! I know that sound. Who killed who? Who killed who? Who is who? Ah! No! Of course we don't gotta look up. Of course. Because if we look up... Hold up. Because if we look up, there's that. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Who is you? Who is you? Yeah, so I'm probably gonna leave now because I don't not like doing this by myself, so yeah. Bye.